Imagine yourself in this GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment group 4SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 18x 8.56 spoke machined aluminum, 20x9 polished aluminum wheels, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, front bucket seats, perf leather appointed front outboard seat trim and 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.